Hi everyone, I wanted to show you today how to integrate the new AirMagic into your Adobe Lightroom workflow when you're using a drone photo. So here's an example of a photo, and I wanted to use AirMagic and just change it to this really simply and easily without having to do a lot of applications and tries. So I just converted to this. So from here to there using AirMagic with a simple couple buttons to press. So I'm going to start here, and the prerequisite is that I already have AirMagic installed. So I'm going to right click here and say Edit In. I'm going to say AirMagic. So this will get installed when you restart Adobe Lightroom after installing AirMagic. So I'm going to click on AirMagic, and it's going to open up and say, would you like to edit this? And in case I have any edits already done, I'm going to apply it with my Adobe Lightroom adjustments. So I'm going to edit. And there's AirMagic opening up automatically. And you see it's analyzing it and going through the image, looking at the drone that was used. And you see the before and after. So you can see how it has automatically applied the adjustments that I would like to do. I can change this setting a little bit here, but I'm going to click on Done. And now it is going to export the photo and make this back into Lightroom so you continue on with your Lightroom regular workflow. And now we have our completed photo in Lightroom, and now we can share it and move on from there. That's everything.